My name is Fahad Hassan. Today I will present my solution for the OBE assignment. The assignment focused on designing a digital parking control system. Key features and their functions. Entry and exit sensor. The system uses sensor to detect car movement, and entry sensor detect a car entering the parking area, and exit sensor detect a leaving the car area. Up down counter, and up down counter tracks the current number of cars in the parking area. If a car enters, the counter increment the count by 1. If a car leaves, the counter decrement the count by 1. Comparator. A comparator checks if capacity has been reached. If the car count equals 7, the parking is full. The maximum size is 7, so that the the parking area is full. If the count is less than 7, so that the space is available. Decoder. A decoder converts the comparator results into control signal for the timers. Timers. What is timers? Timers A. These timers triggered when the parking area is full and output steadily high signal continuously and display is full. Timer B. A timer this timer triggered when the space is available and generate blinking output displaying the space is available. The flow diagram: when a car enter or exit, the sensor is activated and the counter update the current car is count. Display control system using 2555 timer. The system uses 2555 timer for display control. Calculating are performed for the duty cycle frequency, total time period, time high th minus when the time output is on, and time low tl minus when the timer output is off. For every 250 microfarad, 470 microfarad and 50 microfarad capacitor, the R1 and R2 values are calculated. Among those, the 250 microfarad capacitor is considered the optimal choice as it provide the best balance between particularity and performance. With particular resistor values, R1 is equal to 92 ohm, and R2 is equal to 242.42 ohms. Display timer configuration. A 250 microfarad capacitor is chosen for the 555 timer due to its particular performance and standard resistance value make it better improvement display. Numerical display, LED indicator, LCD, LED, OLED display skin is better. Finite state machine. A state table and diagram define two state, S0, S1. Their transition based on a counter value 0 to 3 with corresponding output A, B for the display control. The FSM behavior implemented using HDL code, which initialize the counter and state on rest and toggle the state output when the counter reach 3. Overall system improvement, user interface management, power management, data login, etc. How to make it better? Using microcontroller makes the system smarter, easier to expand like zone control and space counting, etc. Improvement display, install spot sensor for more precise tracking the and improve driven assistance, install sensor in every area. Thank you.